Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you some best practices that can save you a lot of time when you are setting up CloudFiles automation. So before you jump to the HubSpot workflows, there are a couple of things that you need to ensure. Go to CloudFiles. So in the CloudFiles widget, you will see this link. Click here and go to CloudFiles. You can also directly type in app.cloudfiles.io. But if you have multiple accounts or if you have set up multiple trial accounts in CloudFiles, you need to ensure that it is the right account that is connected with HubSpot. So just make sure you go to settings, go to integrations, and from here you can connect your HubSpot. So just make sure that the correct HubSpot account is connected with the correct CloudFiles account. The next thing that you need to do is you need to connect your cloud library as well. So if you're using Google Drive, make sure your Google Drive is connected. This is required for any CloudFiles automation to work. So once this is done, go to HubSpot workflows, create a workflow. I would recommend you not to set up any triggers initially. Just leave this blank and create the different actions. Once you have set up all the actions, you can go live, review and publish, turn on. Now, in order to test this, now this workflow, what it does is on any particular trigger, it is going to create a folder and it is going to attach that folder in here. So basically, this is what it's going to do. It's going to create a folder in Google Drive and it is going to create this tile as an attachment in the widget. So to test it, one option is, of course, you can run this with a particular deal. So like you can go and manually enroll deals. So let's say test and I enroll this. Now, one option is you can, of course, go back, check the test deal and see if the attachment was created, but that is more time consuming. Instead, what you should do is you can just wait here and this is something that shows up. Even if you close this and go to enroll and view enrollments, so right here, so this shows up. You will get two different entries. One is when it gets enrolled and one when the workflow completes. So just click on enrollment details and here you can see that this threw an error. So there's no point actually going to that particular deal and check because it has not successfully executed in the first place. Now from here you can check what the error code is. It says message could not find a resource. The reason destination was not found. So what this essentially means is in the folder create action, which is this action, it was not able to find the destination. So if I click here, so 9 out of 10 times this happens when there is some issue with the values that you put in here. So to make sure you have put in the correct values, let me show you how you can reach the documentation. So just go to support.cloudfiles.io and here put in workflow actions. So these are the actions and so this is the create folder action. If you go to the workflow actions, it shows you all the different actions that CloudFiles offers. If you go to the create folder action, from here you can so you'll get detailed steps as well as videos of how to actually select the different values. So just make sure you cross check and ensure that the right values are there. So in this case, it's just changing this should do it. Now if I enroll again, completed workflows. So here we go. Now we know this has successfully executed. Now you can go and check if it actually worked in this deal. Okay, and there you go. It went through. Once you have completed this step, now you can set the enrollment trigger. So click here and you can set this to be, let's say, the deal name is known. So basically it will trigger every time a new deal is created. Uh, Now before you save this, also make sure you check the re-enrollment section. It completely depends on your use case if the re-enrollment should be active or not. But make sure you check this, and also make sure you check this particular this checkbox. And yeah, so this is how you re-enroll thing and then save. You get this option whether you want to enroll deals that are already there, or if you want to start this with all the new deals that get created. So just now select the option that makes sense here and you're good to go. Thank you.